Lastly, they tell us to filter those students whose grade could be improved. That is, that their average grade, the final grade, is lower than the pass mark. It is lower than 5, but they're close. They have a grade equal or greater than 3, but lower than 5. That is, that they are people who have not achieved the minimum grade, but they're not too far off. It might be the case that I want to invite these people in to propose a way for them to get their grade up. Whether with a final exam, resitting the interim exams they have failed, anything. I want to filter these data using a more complex condition, that is, those who. I have to apply first, I have to apply the filter to this table. I do not have to be located outside the table. I place myself in any cell of the table and I apply my filter. Okay, I have the first row, the row of the column headings. I have them via the little button with the filter options drop-down menu. It tells to filter the final grade according to the number. We want, of all these students, to select those who meet two conditions. That meet a condition, that is that it is between two values, that it is between 3 and 5. Okay, so we use this option. This option between, ellipsis. We'll call up the window where we can enter the conditions of the filter, and we see this window allows us to put two conditions. Two conditions that, one of them is going to be that the final grade be greater than or equal to the value 3, as they asked up for, and furthermore, because these two conditions can be joined with the logical operation, and or with the logical operation or. That is, that it meets one or another, it would be with or. No, we want it to meet both, for it to be greater than 3, that is, we discard the lower grades. And furthermore, for it to be below, lower than, greater or equal to 3 and less than 5. That is, they have not passed, they haven't achieved 5, but at least they have a 3. The two conditions are united through the operator, and that is, that both have to be fulfilled simultaneously. Logically, we are doing a between function, which is between 3 inclusive and 5 exclusive. Okay. So this is the filter that we have to make, and we see that the number of students who fulfill this condition on the final grade are these 5 that we have here, which is the solution to the problem that we were posed.